Okay, in this video we're going to learn how to construct internal tangents between two circles. So we have two circles, one with center O1 and one with center O2, and we have here radius R1. So the first point, since we're doing tangents, we're going to draw a line joining O1 and O2, the two centers of the two circles. Okay, after joining them using a compass, we'll construct the perpendicular bisector of the line. So we get a distance that is greater than their circles, than their centers, the center O1, O2. You draw an arc, go to the other side, same distance, draw another arc. Where they intersect, join to make our line, our perpendicular line bisector. Now, that is the midpoint of O1, O2. Now, you construct a circle, like previously discussed, to the radius, to any of the two radiuses. Construct a circle of diameter O1, O2. Now, since we're dealing with internal tangents, we have to draw a circle that is a combination that has a radius R1 plus R2, okay? So we'll come here and get the radius R2. And come to the circumference of our radius R1 and hatch this line of the ray from the center of O1. Now this hatch is our new circle of radius R1 plus R2. We then construct this circle of radius R1 plus R2. Now, where this new circle intersects the diameter, the circumference of the circle O1, O2, this point, we name it point P. And this is point Q. This is our radius R1 plus R2. Point Q. Now, come here. We join O1 or O1Q to the point Q. And then we use our squares. To transfer the parallel line to the other circle. We transfer that line to the other. Now that line, that's our first tangency point, internal tangent point. We can even construct that tangent immediately. That's our first. Now you can see for me I've not been accurate, so it's passing through the circumference, but it's supposed to be at the top, okay? So you must make sure that, let's scratch that. This point, our point T1 has to be joined. I joined it to the wrong circle. The point T1 has to be joined to the point T2 because we're drawing a tangent through the circle with the center, the circle R1, R2. So it's this point we're supposed to hatch, not that point. Scratch that, okay? So it's supposed to be through here and here. That is your tangent line. Scratch the first one, it's not the right one. Then we join point OP to O1, carry out the same process, okay? Where it crosses the line, the circumference of radius R1, we name it T3. So we transfer this line to the other side, to the other circle. So you transfer this line to the other side, parallel line, remember. So this O2, draw. Now this point is a point T4. That is our point of the internal radius. So you join T3 to T4. T4 to T3. That is our another tangent line. Okay. So when you come and use our set squares to measure these angles, you realize they're at 90 degrees, okay? This angle. This makes 90 degrees, okay? This makes 90 degrees. It's an arc and a dot in the middle. And these make 90 degrees. And you can come and check it out here. If you're not sure, when you check with the 90 degree, see? It's perpendicular, okay? You've seen that it's perpendicular. If you come here and you test this one, you see? It's at 90 degrees. So that is how you draw our internal tangents between two circles.